Just wanted to know, lockdown chal raha hai, you have been stuck in Singapore, so how's the lockdown treating you?
It was different experience. I'm really happy that I'm stuck in Singapore. Everything is so controlled here. Everything is so manageable. In Mumbai, I knew it is going to go crazy once if it spreads. So I have no regrets that I'm stuck here. I'm very happy.
And what have you been doing there?
I came here to with acting, I started pursuing my other love of writing side by side. So I have directed few short films, and this one was I wanted to try my hand on directing a video, because Shell's videos also has they have very emotional love story. His videos are not like just dancing and romancing. It's story based videos because he sings ballads.
Yes.
So I had a very nice concept in mind which he really liked, and we thought of shooting. Then we start India. It was little bad, situation was bad, so we thought of shooting in Singapore. जैसे ही हमने शूटिंग स्टार्ट किया यहाँ पे, we shot the promo. Next day we were all ready for shoot, and PM just announced circuit breaker. That you can't be more than 10 people cannot be there at one space. So we figured out who all can come. The cameraman only had more than 10 people team. So we thought, okay, let's wait. So we have been waiting and waiting. It's been 2 months. Still circuit breaker is not opening, and it's even more tighter. So finally we decided to shoot video at home, and we changed the concept. We are giving tribute to Corona warriors, because we have been seeing how doctors are there, what sacrifice they have been doing.
Yeah, and risking their lives.
And when they go back home, they can't even meet their kids. Imagine some people, some doctors are just newlywed, and some of them have just newly born baby in their house, but they just go in a separate room, just they can't meet their family member. They try to stay away from them, and risking family members' lives also. It's a very big sacrifice, very big thing for society they have been doing.
Right, true.
So we decided to change the concept and make something which is about a couple and doctor couple, how they are dealing with this lockdown situation, and what happens to them.
Yeah. Beautiful story. And very relevant.
Sorry?
Very relevant with the time.
Yeah, very relevant. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So now that you are, in Singapore, so how are you dealing with the lockdown, which is called here lockdown? There it is called
circuit breaker.
Circuit breaker.
Yeah. Here, immediate family members can meet each other, but you have to maintain social distancing. You can't meet people outside your family, your home. You can't meet in societal places, like you can't party, hang out, go for a coffee or something. No gymming.
So is it very difficult to be in a different country and staying alone there?
No, it's not difficult. I have friends and family here, so it's not difficult at all. And here I'm going for groceries, I'm going out for essentials, and at the same time I've been working on I think an artist can never be alone. We are always busy with some concept or creation in our mind, so I think it's going fine. I think this lockdown has given everyone me time, which people are evolving, thinking a lot about themselves and about their lives.
Indulging in self-love.
Yeah. Yeah, that was very important for rejuvenation. We needed that, though it was a forced break, but every one of us, even our nature needed that break, I think. Yeah, but economy, it's bad. But see, the atmosphere is cleared. A lot of things. Crime rate is 0. Otherwise, every day people were dying of crime, accidents, and a lot of other deaths. Now it's just everything is, if you see the brighter side of it, we have there's so much positivity about it also.
Samiksha, talking about coming back to Mumbai and with just I think like 2 days back shooting यहाँ पर भी शुरू हो गई है और धीरे धीरे शुरू हो रही है with limited people and with lot of guidelines. So what is your next plan, to come to Mumbai or still stay there and till the situation gets okay?
Yeah, definitely. I don't want to shoot till the situation gets okay, because in shooting you cannot, especially artists, how can we wear mask and do shoot?
Right.
So artists are at the utmost risk while shooting, and you can't keep that cleanliness and you can't sanitize places. Studios itself they are so dirty, and equipments, everything, you can't do that. Even the costumes we wear again and again, somebody sometimes they are rented ones, you don't know.
Right, so it's like risking everything.
Yeah, I think shooting should be very limited. They should not start, especially daily soap shoot.
So this music album which you're talking about, tell us tell us something about the song. You spoke about the theme. Shell's song is usually very meaningful, very melodious. We have been
exactly
listening to. So what is it with this song, new song?
Yeah, when Shell was doing this new song, I was also there in the sitting. Then I got busy with my shoot and stuff. I was in America shooting for something. Then on the recording day, by chance, Shell said, if you are here in Mumbai, why don't you come over to studio? Then he was recording and we changed the entire song, and it came out so beautiful. I added few more lyrics to it. So now it's even more deeper, and because I'm a writer, so अपनी थोड़ी सी मैं input देती रहती हूँ. And he's very kind to inculcate that, and वो अपने अच्छा लग रहा है, and we are getting tremendous response for the audio we have put, and fans are just going crazy. They are saying, when is the video coming up? So I came up with this idea and told Shell, let's change the concept and let's shoot the video. And then he shot my scenes and I shot his scenes, and somehow we completed our video. With mobile phone, we made camera and we made the remote. We downloaded this app and so that we could operate camera with the phone. So somehow, a little bit fight and love, we completed our video.
But that's also a challenge, no? Because you're experiencing new things, you're trying new things.
Exactly. There are at least 40-50 people involved.
You're now actually
on a shoot there are at least 30 to 40 people. Somebody's doing makeup, you are doing hair and your costumes, and cameraman, director, concept, story. There are different kind of people, but here we were just two of us making a story together, and it was a learning experience for both of us, and we are very happy with the output.
Right. Also, अब जब आप काम कर रही हैं, you're working in different mediums. आपने films में भी काम कर लिया है, TV भी आप on and off करती रहती हैं, and music videos भी कर रही हैं. आपको कौन सा medium ज़्यादा आप enjoy करते हो काम करते वक्त?
Right now, I'm in state of mind. I'm enjoying writing and direction more than my acting even.
Okay.
I think it's more responsibility, and I'm feeling it's more creative, because then you are concentrating on everything in life. I mean, how my actor is looking, the costumes, the makeup, every little thing, the background, emotion. It's a lot more creative. That direction is really challenging. It's making me really happy.
So, are you keen on doing daily soaps because you have, done TV shows?
No. Earlier also I have not done typical daily soaps. I really like the character of Olympia, and with Nikhil Advani, POW. I really like those characters. So I wanted to play that character. Now, again in life, if something is really challenging and nice, I'll do. Otherwise,
So you don't resonate with the fact that daily soaps में वो जो typical actresses दिखाई जाती हैं.
no, I can never do that.
You don't relate.
I can never do that. I would have done if I would have done some job. I think अगर मुझे daily soap वाली वो करना था show तो, then there's no creativity left because you're running against time कि तुम्हें इतना deliver करना है इतने time में. So just learning dialogues and saying it.
Right. और बार-बार आपको एक तरीके से पोर्ट्रे किया जाता है कि आप रो रहे हो पूरे टाइम,
और कितने साल एक ही चीज कैसे कर सकते हो? सुबह उठ के मेकअप करके बैठ जाओ और सेम डायलॉग लर्न कर करके बोले जाओ. There's no creativity in that.
And what is your take on Ichhadari and Dayan and Nagin shows?
Oh please don't ask me. I also did some थोड़ा सा मैंने किया था कुछ, but no, not my cup of tea. ठीक है, people are getting entertained, that's okay. That also has a market audience. Housewives, they like all these things. They like to see sarees के design और क्या हो रहा है.
इसके life में क्या हो रहा है.
It's like for me it's junk food, which will after वो थोड़ी देर के लिए tasty लगता है, फिर after that you regret कि क्या खा लिया. जब कुछ अच्छी फिल्म देखते हैं ना, we feel good that what a movie, what a learning experience, somebody, एक जर्नी होती है किसी अच्छा जब हम देख लेते हैं. और जब ये डेली सोप देख लेते हैं ना, हमें लगता है कि हमने टाइम वेस्ट कर लिया. कुछ हुआ तो नहीं, 10 दिन बाद भी देखो वही चीज हो रही होती है.
बिल्कुल.
So there is no nutrition in daily soaps. It's junk.
What about reality shows?
Yeah, reality shows are good. लेकिन I mean for me it's entertaining, लेकिन वो भी जो over dramatic कर देते हैं ना to gain people's sympathy. And I know so many contestants and producers, sometimes they tell me they have to do it. वो ऐसा कुछ होता भी नहीं है उनका background, वो दिखा देते हैं कि this person has been struggling, इतना बेचारा ये है, उसको बेचारा बना देते हैं सबको. और वो sad music डाल देते हैं.
But as a contestant, अगर कोई reality shows आप करना चाहे,
नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगी. No, I don't want to do.
No, खतरों का खिलाड़ी, no झलक दिखला जा, no Big Boss.
खतरों का खिलाड़ी, when I was doing South movies, I did खतरों का खिलाड़ी also, but then I was like, okay, I wanted to do it for my experience. फिर एक दो के बाद मैंने छोड़ दिया. I said no, I can't risk all these things and I can't eat all कीड़े मकोड़े for all.
For entertainment.
Just अपने आप को challenge करने के लिए, experience के लिए मैंने किया, but then I decided. But more than that competition, there is a lot of controversy and drama also involved. That
aspect.
That's not my. Yeah. That's not my cup of tea. If it was only challenging as a कि अपना mental or physical strength test करने के लिए, if you are doing that, then it's okay. But to create controversy and to make it dramatic, then I can't do that.
Not even Big Boss?
No. I have never watched even. What? I can't watch it.
That's a very.
I don't know. I can't watch Big Boss. I feel there's a lot of negativity. People are bound to act like this. They get frustrated. ये lockdown Big Boss ही था हम सबके लिए. ये था कि हम चलो अकेले थे. We are not stuck with wrong people. It's like जिन लोगों की आपस में नहीं बनती वो लॉकडाउन हो गए इकट्ठे, उनके लिए तो बिग बॉस ही बन गया था वो. जी. So for them it's an experience how people learn to cooperate with each other and how even sorted people they lose it ऐसे लोगों के साथ. So I think it's for different people it's different. For me it's not my cup of tea. ना उसको देखना ना करना. I know I never wasted my time even.
So thank you
so much.
It was great talking to you.
Thanks to you.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah?
Okay, you too.
Okay, bye.
All right. Bye.